In this video, I'll show you how you can post a tweet on Instagram just like Gary Vee does. I'm sure he might have been the one that started it, but a lot of people do this now, and I'm going to show you how you can do this on your Instagram profile. So what you need to do is first you need to make a tweet yourself. So head over to Twitter and then just go and post any tweet. I've got an example tweet here that I've just posted. So the tweet is, "Hello world, this is a test tweet for Instagram." So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on that tweet, and you need to too once you've made your tweet. Then what you can do is you can go and screenshot that tweet. So now we've done that. Then when this option comes up to crop it, you want to click on it, and here you need to crop your tweet. If you're on iPhone, just find a way to crop your tweet. I'm sure you can do it in the iPhone camera editor. So we're just going to crop the tweet here. I'm just going to get rid of the bit that I don't want. Obviously, this doesn't have to be perfect because we are going to edit this in another editing software. But once you've roughly got what you want here, you can then go and save it. So I've now saved my tweet. Now what we need to do is go and download a piece of software which is completely free, which is going to allow us to put it in like an Instagram post format. So head over to the Play Store and you want to go and download this right here. It's InSquarePic Photo Editor No Crop Collage. It's completely free. Go and download it. And once you've downloaded it, we can go and open it, and it should look something like this. It's very easy to use, and you can do this in literally under 3 minutes. So now what you need to do is you need to go to Editor, and it might ask you for permissions. So now what you need to do, you need to click on Editor. It might then ask you for permissions. Once you've done that, just go and select your tweet, and then I'll be back. So once you've selected your tweet, it's going to open it up in an Instagram box here, and it's pretty much already done for us for the most part. We just have to change the background and maybe remove Twitter for Android. So first we'll change the background. So to do that, you want to scroll down at the bottom, go to background, and here you can click on the white background here, and it's going to change it to white. Or if you want it exact, click on this tool here, then click on your Twitter background, and you can see it's now changed the background for us. Now to get rid of Twitter for Android, you need to go here to brush, and you want to click on like the second brush and just use the white background here, and you can just go and like paint over Twitter for Android. Not the perfect solution, but it gets the job done. Okay, so now we've done that. We now have our tweet in an Instagram format. We can now click on the tick icon. We can now click again on the tick icon, and you can simply save it to your phone. So now you've got that saved on your phone. You can now go and upload that straight away to Instagram.